This is indeed a first workshop of its kind and a pioneering attempt by Dr. Ijaz Gilani, his team and associates on the subject of 50 years of electoral history in Pakistan. I would like to congratulate all of you on becoming part and a player, founding player, pioneering player in this endeavor, and I hope that your attendance in this workshop will not be just limited to your own learning here, but you will take this forward as Dr. Ijaz Gilani rightly expects, and within your own academic environment and within your own institutions and in the realm of your own career, you will take this stream of research forward and you will undertake more initiatives, research projects in this line, and eventually publish in this area, develop undergraduate and graduate courses, and make academia also a partner in the political process in our country. This workshop is being held at a short notice, and as you can see, there is no HEC funding in place, and there are no foreign faculty members and experts to present their papers. And I was talking to Dr. Ijaz Gilani, and I was sharing with him that if we had gotten more time, then we could have done all of that as well. But then he came back to say that then that would have meant this exercise meaningless and useless for our context. And very rightly so. We have a unique context, and we have a unique history of our own politics and elections. We have developed expertise in this area, and we have command over our own resources, intellectual resources, who are directly exposed to the phenomenon of elections all through the decades. We have command our own database resources developed by Election Commission of Pakistan, various polling agencies, authorities, and especially Gallup. So we have all it takes to do a creative, innovative reflection in this area. We don't need as such a foreign experts, and we shouldn't be feeling dependent upon them. In fact, Dr. Rasool was saying that foreign experts have observed a paucity in this area, that there is lack of Pakistani authors writing on Pakistani elections, Pakistani faculty members undertaking research on Pakistani elections. This is an area where outside observers, outside experts, and outside faculty members are looking forward to work done by Pakistani authors to refer it for their own work. So I think the very important and worthwhile objective of this workshop is to develop a team of researchers on a nationwide basis who would undertake this as their one of the prime focused areas, and who would develop their expertise, their mindset, and develop their own history, a trajectory over the series of elections in the